Tired of cookie cutter neighborhoods? This is what real Montana living looks like. No HOA, real acreage, and true character. Let's take a look inside. Built in 1980, this 3-bed, 2-bath home gives you over 2,500 square feet, nearly 3 acres of freedom, its own private bike trail that doubles as a hiking trail, and yes, a few delightfully quirky features you won't find anywhere else. Right off the bat, you walk in through this sunroom entry surrounded by wall-to-wall windows. It floods the entrance with incredible natural light and gives you the perfect spot for plants, morning coffee, or kicking off your mud boots after a day outside. Stepping into the main home, you get that warm, authentic 1980s Montana cabin vibe. The layout is open, practical, and take a look at the surround of this wood-burning stove. Whether you choose to embrace the vintage aesthetic or bring your own design ideas to update it over time, this house gives you an amazing foundation and so much potential. Let's talk storage and workspace. In Montana, gear is a lifestyle. This oversized 2-car garage and shop gives you plenty of room for your tools, side-by-side, ski gear, and projects. And out here on nearly 3 acres, no covenants, no HOA, you have total freedom to park your RV, raise some animals, or just enjoy your space. And speaking of space, alongside the old chicken coop and storage shed, you get a real slice of local history, an original double outhouse. Perfect for when company comes over and you want to keep things strictly rustic. I can also envision this redone and turned into a true Montana VRBO or Airbnb experience, providing you with a little extra income. Now, let's take a look at the ultimate backyard feature. The owners had a custom mountain bike trail built right here on the property. You can lap your own yard after work without ever loading up a bike rack. And when you do want to hit the bigger trails or head to the water, you're ideally located. You're just minutes from hiking in the Jewel Basin and Mount Emmaus, spending the day on Flathead Lake, or grabbing dinner in Big Fork.
This is peace. This is home.
Sun-drenched views, nearly 3 acres of freedom, a private bike trail, and 0 HOA. This is a rare Montana find. If you would like more info, comment Montana Freedom below or call 406-890-5390. I'll see you on the trail.